Tired of watching your portfolio take hit after hit? The crypto world is evolving at lightning speed, and I'm breaking down the step-by-step method to spot the next big coins and bank major profits. One thing I've definitely figured out is why I prefer making coins over buying them. Platforms like Pump.Fun allow anyone to create their own coin in just a few minutes, and it's super affordable. Right now, new coins are being launched every few seconds. But here's the catch. If you're using Pump.Fun to launch a meme coin, you're already at a disadvantage. Because it's so easy and cheap to do, people won't take your coin seriously unless you've got something truly unique to bring to the game. The issue with Pump.Fun is how insanely easy it is to use, which results in hundreds of new tokens being created every minute. Projects that are more serious and higher quality usually go for other dexes instead. Since Pump.Fun is so beginner-friendly, it's packed with low-quality, low-effort tokens. On the other hand, Raydium, another DEX, tends to attract projects that actually gain momentum. Over there, you'll find market caps of $100,000 and more, while on Pump.Fun, most tokens can't even break $6,000. The deal with platforms like Raydium is that they're not for everyone, because you either need to know how to code or pay someone who does. That's why the projects there tend to be more legit and grow bigger. People actually put in the work. For average folks like us, it's a steep climb, since it's all about tech skills and smart contracts. And if you check the numbers, Raydium tokens often end up with way higher market caps compared to Pump.Fun. So, here's the deal. I found this gem, launchtool.io, and it's crazy how fast you can create a meme coin on Raydium. I'm going to walk you through the steps to get your coin out there as soon as possible. This is some seriously advanced tech. Raydium got a great rep because it's backed by actual devs, but the best part, launching your own coin is super simple now. Who knows how long this will stay off people's radars, but right now, it's performing like crazy. Let's start creating our logo. Go to Canva and create a 128 by 128 pixels design. For this coin, I chose this stitch. I recently saw the new movie and I really liked it. Make some adjustments and download your new logo. After I created the logo for my meme coin, let's start with the actual token creation. First, open Launch Tool. You have to connect your wallet. In the next page, you are giving your token a name and a trading symbol. Description. I'm just going to leave it blank since it's optional, but you can add something if you like. Upload your logo and click Next. Leave decimals and token supply as is. That really needs no change at all. Click Next. Creator info is totally optional. I won't put anything for this time because I prefer to save those 0.1 Solana. Social media? Optional at best. Yeah, you could drop your Twitter or Telegram link here, but let's be real. Most traders will discover your tokens straight on Raydium anyway. Save yourself the hassle and just hit skip. No need to overcomplicate this. This is the make or break moment most get wrong. Sure, 0.3 Solana stings a bit, but these safety features are your golden ticket to credibility. Serious traders dig into this stuff. If they spot disabled permissions, you're toast. Freeze mint update functions, keep them live. Now smash that launch button. After that, you will be prompted to confirm the transaction. Click Confirm. And congratulations, you have successfully launched your token on the Solana network. Let's check it on SolScan. All checks done? This is where the real alchemy begins. Liquidity isn't optional. It's the spell that turns digital dust into real trading gold. Thinking of cutting corners here? Congrats, you just minted the world's most expensive NFT. Looks cool, but trades for zilch. Let's get back to Launch Tool, since the next step is adding the liquidity pool. Click on the Create Liquidity Pool. After that, you will be redirected to the Raydium website. Now we have to select our meme coin as a base token. Go back to Launch Tool and copy the token address. Paste the address and insert the same symbol and the address of the token you created. Click on Add User Token and add your meme coin. We launched with 1 billion tokens. Now dump 900 million straight into the liquidity pool. Pair it with Solana, smash that max button. Just remember to save 0.2 Solana for gas unless you want to get stuck. This is where the engine starts roaring. As the founding investor, your spot is locked in tight. Set that liquidity fee at 2%, the sweet spot for healthy trading action while keeping room to grow. Final play, activate the liquidity pool creation and sign the transaction. When it clears, congratulations, your token is officially open for business and prepped for heavy volume. Success! We're now featured on Photon's main dashboard where the whales swim. Get ready as I demonstrate how to monitor your token's performance with professional-grade charting tools. Load up Dex Screener and select any token that grabs your attention. Extract its contract address from Launch Tool and dump it into Dex Screener. Voila, you've got a full degen control panel. Keep constant tabs on the liquidity data. Heads up, Raydium's portfolio tracker sometimes takes a minute. Let it chill for 5 to 10 minutes before it spits out accurate numbers. Patience pays off here. We start with some good buys that accumulate about $70, which makes us start with a liquidity of $613 and a market cap of $540 in just 2 minutes. They have continued to make small buys from us, and now we have 3 more buys for about $30, which leaves our liquidity at $633 and our market cap at $570. Another good buy for almost $35, which increases our liquidity to $666 and our market cap to $630. With this, I feel satisfied to go and withdraw our liquidity. Accessing Raydium's standard mode, your tactical withdrawal station. Engage the minus function, ratchet the withdrawal to full, and extract your liquidity from hostile territory. That Solana reserve is your lifeline. Blink and you're cooked. Authorize the action, verify the wallet pop-up, and exfil your liquidity to friendly lines. Price action is exploding like fireworks. Check these wallet gains. My portfolio doubled in less than an hour. The ridiculous reality? This free alpha isn't exclusive. Just point and click your way to riches. Keep compounding quietly and watch your bloodline turn into the next Rothschild dynasty. Breaking news flash. This isn't theory anymore. It's literally working in real time. The opportunity clock is ticking louder than a time bomb. You've got 2 choices. Get positioned now or tell your grandkids about the one that got away. Quick disclaimer, I'm not partnered with Raydium, Photon, or Launchtool. If you want to dive deeper, check their official links below. This is purely educational. Smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss these alpha drops.